Physical gold is as liquid as the relationship in which you hold it. If you hold it under your bed in a Folgers can, it can be very hard to get liquidity at times when you need it most. It's not meant to be flippant. I can understand why investors in precious metals and physical gold and silver don't like to keep it in a commercial bank or in a private vault or in even a safe deposit box where they don't have complete control. The problem with trying to have physical gold outside of a system is when you do store or save your money in physical gold and silver, which is the right thing to do, but you definitely at some point have to spend in fiat money, whether that's a euro, a British pound sterling, a Canadian or American dollar, et cetera. At some point you're saving or storing in gold, but you're spending in fiat money. So at some point you're going to have to convert that gold to fiat money. And in that regard, it's very difficult to do when you have gold under the mattress, so to speak. Then you have to go to a local dealer, pay huge premiums to convert it to the liquidity or the cash in your particular jurisdiction. That can be very difficult. Obviously, it's much easier if your gold is in a commercial bank where they can convert that gold or silver to the current spot price and deposit in your account. And even, in that regard, you could argue that holding a commercial bank is a good option. We think it's not for a number of reasons. Usually for liquidity reasons, because we need it most in times of crisis. Banks have a history of not being there for you. For us, we've solved that problem by having an in-house trading system with the refineries where our client gold and silver can be converted into fiat money very quickly through our relationships with the refiners and the banks. So we have the benefits of instant liquidity, so to speak, or immediate liquidity without the risks of owning that gold in a physical way at a commercial bank where there's been a long and distinguished list of delivery failures, privacy failures, and even price fixing penalties. We keep it simple by staying outside of that banking system while still being able to offer liquidity through our relationships with our refiners.